welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then go ahead and press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Here on my channel, I focus on sewing tutorials, fashion styles, and here and there you will see some motherhood lifestyle videos. So in today's video, we'll be making this top. So go ahead and get comfortable, get your drink, whatever you gotta do, and let's get into this tutorial. Hi guys, so first I'm gonna cut out two rectangular pieces. Each should be 63 by 8.5 inches. Now to sew the pink and the orange together, I'm gonna place them right side to right side, pin the ends before taking them to the sewing machine and sewing it down. Okay, so I did do a straight stitch then zigzag the ends, but I do recommend using zigzag for this type of material. So once I have those two pieces together, I'm going to double roll the ends, like the longer piece, and then pin it into place before taking over to the sewing machine. So you just want to fold it twice, pin, and then that'll keep it into place. And honestly, if you're using this exact type of material, you can just skip these steps because the material, you can just stretch the ends and they will just roll up, so you won't even see the raw edges. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing to the smaller end. I'm just going to double roll, pin into place. As you can see, I did snip the ends just so that when I roll it, you won't see it on the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see in the comments, and see you in the next one.